Hello my planner pals and welcome back. And if you're new here, then thank you for joining me and giving me a try. My name is Di, I am here at Creative Karma Design, and today I want to share with you a little tip on the difference between symmetry and balance in your planner and your journal spreads. Okay, so when it comes to planner design and symmetry, it's actually fairly difficult to get perfect symmetry, and symmetry is literally taking one half of the page and it being like there's a mirror. Let's, for instance, say the mirror was here on the discs, and what is happening, the design element on this page is exactly mirrored on this page. So if I had a sticker here, I'm going to mirror it and have a sticker here. It is exactly opposite, so that if I took the page and sandwiched them together, those stickers would line up. So that is symmetry. Now here's the thing, symmetry can also be not just vertically here, it can be horizontally. So in this case, my line would be here and I would put my sticker here because my symmetry line is here, it's horizontal. So whatever I do at the top of the page, I do at the bottom of the page. That is stickers, it's boxes, it's text, it's titles, it's doodles, it's washi tape. The whole thing needs to be a mirror image, and that's what you need to think about with symmetry. Symmetry is mirroring something from one side to the other. And here's why you won't find it in the dashboard layout, because it's so hard to do. You would literally have to change either this sheet and where things are, or this sheet and where things are, because this side is completely different to this side. It does work, however, in the horizontal, because both sides are exactly the same. Apart from, if you were going to have perfect symmetry, you'd need to change the dates on this right-hand page to be here, to be on this side. But it can work. It could also work top to bottom if you flipped these dates. So it can work perfectly in your horizontal or your dot grid. Now you'll also see that your vertical layout lends itself well to symmetry, and not necessarily thinking about the line of symmetry being vertical here, left to right, because you could do that and end up with the sidebar being the same as this. That is possible, but it lends itself to this horizontal symmetry. What you do on the top half, you do on the bottom half. So it works well in your vertical. Let's look at some examples. And this is my first example. This is in the horizontal that I was using as a journal. Everything that I did on the left, I recreated on the right. I have the big sticker in the middle down the spine because that already mirrors itself. And I mirrored every single sticker that I put on here, even to the placement of these like ovals. I mirrored everything. I mirrored all the writing. I mirrored everything, the text. Everything is mirrored on this spread. This is symmetry. Again, another example of symmetry. This is using the Mickey and Friends. Everything I did on the left, I did on the right. Square sticker, even down to the titles in my journaling. Sticker, sticker, small sticker, header, sticker, header, sticker, like even down to the little boxes. I did everything mirrored. You can see it here too, that there is some symmetry. Even though these are not perfectly symmetrical, the boxes have symmetry. The boxes themselves have symmetry. So there's some symmetry on this page, some. It's not perfect, some. The boxes are exactly the same placement, right side to left side. This page is an example of symmetry that doesn't look like symmetry. Can you see where the symmetry is? It's diagonal. I basically took this, flipped it, and it's the same here. So this is a different example of symmetry. If you took this page and you cut it in half there, you would literally turn it around and it would look exactly like that with the placement of the stickers. This is some partial symmetry. Again, here you've got the big banner across the middle. I've got text, boxes, quote. So overall, the symmetry is there. It's just a little bit different because I've got different size boxes. It's almost there. This is like 85% symmetry. 85%. So now let's talk about balance. Balance and symmetry are completely different. Completely different. Again, symmetry is mirroring or it being the same generally. Balance is not. Balance is taking what is called the weight of the item, the sticker, the quote, whatever it is on your page and balancing it. And balancing it generally means it's odd numbers. So can you see here, we've got odd numbers, 1, 2, 3. That creates a lovely visual triangle for your eyes to see. And you'll see this a lot on my spreads. The rule of 3 or 5. Now balance can also come in colors, in designs, in washi, in the number of boxes. Just adding another piece of washi tape, another box, another flower can make a huge difference. So you can see here we've got some elements. Sloth, sloth, sloth. 3. Washi, 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 washi. 3. Flowers on their own, not with the sloths. 1, 2, 3. There's elements again of oddness. And again, if you have a box heavy spread, you want to think about the color of your boxes maybe too. Pink, pink, pink. So I have 3 pink boxes. Again, with this one, thinking about the tigers as their own element. If I had just done that, it would have looked odd. Your eye doesn't have any visual triangle because there's an odd man out, or an even man out in this case. But adding that third one, like your eye, visually, having the 5 looks better than 4. It looks better than 4. That was what was missing off of this spread. I needed another one. I needed another stitch. Somewhere over here. Somewhere over here. I needed another stitch. Even putting one here would have helped. And as we look at more balancy things versus symmetry, again, thinking about color. As you look at this, you got brown, brown, brown. 3. Again, with this one, green, 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 yellow, 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 pink, pink, pink. And I think this one is a good example of balancing the color. Pink, 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 3, 4, 5, 5. And again, thinking about the weight of stickers. And I think about the weight as usually the darkness or the solidness of stickers. So I've got solid, 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 solid. 5. And then you'll have spreads like this that don't follow the formula, and that's okay. It doesn't have to. But to me, this looks unbalanced because we have an extra dragon that really shouldn't be there, but they were so cute that I had to add it on. The other thing about balance is finding some balance in the repetition of shapes. Again, it could be the repetition of washi tape. It could be the repetition of circles. Think about repeating the shape as well. Again, if you have a hexagon on your spread, you don't just want 1, 3, 5, or more in an odd number. Or odd area. Odd areas. Again, 3 people. Again, thinking about repetition of shape. I've got these weird arrowy things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I've actually got this one as well, which makes it odd. If that hadn't been there, would have been much better. So again, thinking about balance, whatever this shape is, whatever color this is, think about it in odd numbers. This one's here, whatever this is, shape, size, color, whatever. Let's have another one there and another one there. And then we come in with our second thing and then our third thing. So as you can see here, I've got shapes. They're all the same shape, which doesn't have to be that way, but they're all the same shape. You want to try and cluster your boxes as well and have those odd. And then finally, my final tip for you on balance is thinking about the horizontal line. Because none of these colors are on the same horizontal line. The stickers are, the colors aren't. Can you see that? This peach is here, this peach is here, this peach is here. The blue is here, the blue is here, the blue is here. The yellow, the yellow, the yellow. And I'm going to change these around and just show you what it would look like if they were all, well, some of them were on the wrong spot. Now, can you see how just changing that? Something feels, to me, I feel it in my bones, feels wrong. And that is that the blue is on the same horizontal line and the peach is on the same horizontal line. Just changing those couple of stickers, shapes, design, whatever it is, makes a huge difference. Makes a huge difference. And that was literally just doing that. Changing these, flipping them the other way. Let me know if you have any questions. Okay, I hope that helped. I hope you found that little tip useful. If you found this useful, then give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you next time, my planner pals. Bye!